Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to make Facebook post shareable. As you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook profile, so I'm clicking on it and I'm writing something here, hello. And if I want to make this post shareable, then all I have to do, just click on here and make sure to select public, because of when it's selected as public, then your post will be shareable, and if you are selected in any other option from here, then your post will not be shareable. So I'm selecting public, and here you can see public is selected. Now I'm clicking on post, and here we can see this post is shareable now. This is how we can make post shareable in Facebook. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.